This meal here is going to be fast. Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. Today is going to be a quick, fast, easy meal. I've seen several videos them making smash burger tacos, and that's what we're going to do today. We'll have some burger, we'll get some cheese, these little street tacos. You can use however big a tacos you want. We'll show you here in a minute how we're going to try it. Whatever seasoning you want, I've got some salt, accent, and pepper mixed in this here. Alright, let's give it a go. Alright. This is our first attempt, folks. Got a little ball of burger like that there. We're going to throw that on the griddle. I'm going to take a little bit of our seasoning, sprinkle here on top. Now, that's just the first step there. Take your spatula. Now, we'll let it cook there for just a couple minutes. Then we'll flip it over. Alrighty folks, it's been 2 minutes. Let's flip them over and see what it looks like. Flip it over to that side there. Looks almost like a McDonald's hamburger, folks. Now we're going to take a little bit of cheese. Sprinkle here on top. We'll let it cook just a little bit more there. Alrighty, we'll do the same thing just over and over. Alrighty folks, there you have it. We'll let you know in a few minutes. Daniel's getting ready to try his. This is his. We put on some Big Mac sauce we made and put on some lettuce. Carolyn said she's going to be putting tomatoes on hers. We'll let you know how it is.
And onion.
And onion. Carolyn's going to be putting onion on hers.
Okay, everybody, this was really good. Y'all will have to try it. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.